Right, good morning everyone. Now, unfortunately, this was never claimed. So, I'm putting it up for sale. Because I just, you know, I don't want them, I can't house them. And it's too late now to reclaim it because it's been sat for ages, for weeks. So I'm just going to share with you what's in it, and then it's going to be sold as a job lot. Lots of flowers that I've made of various kinds, and I'll tell you how many there are. There are quite a few, I have to say. There's another one, another one. There's those. You know, so if you don't claim your prizes, I'm sorry, they have to be moved on. There's a black rose, that's nice. The filler, there's another one. And a couple more. Yeah, if you, like I say, so if anybody wants all of those, let me just show you, see if I can show you them all at once, I think. So that's all of them. So if anybody wants them, £5 for the lot. It's just to cover materials, basically, that's all. I mean, that really doesn't cover the materials, but yeah. If anybody wants them, let me know on this video. Right, and then we've got this, okay? So this is all ribbons, ombre ribbon. We do a metre of that for £1.80. So I want a £5 for this as well. There's lots of trims there, lots. All of that. Like I say, £1.80 normally for a metre of that. And so it's more than worth it. If anyone's interested, that's a £5 for that as a job lot. Yeah, if anybody wants them, let me know on this video, please. Well, this arrived. Now, this is what I say to you about these scarves. If you buy the right scarf, which is the chiffon, see, it's just a scarf. And I managed to find it online for a few quid. It was only about £3, I think, for a chiffon scarf. Absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to fold it and cut it, and we're going to make a flower out of it. And I don't need it too long either. I know you're going to go, oh my God, get over it. I don't fuss at all. Doesn't have to be perfect either. I'm going to make a nice big flower with this today. And I'm going to use, I think, one of my blings that I made the other day. I think we'll do that. Don't worry about it because I can cut it down. I know it doesn't really ever cut into shape properly. So, let's have a look. We need to cut the ends off, of course. I'm going to round them off. Do I need to cut it in half? No, that'll do. It's not even. Look at that. Don't worry about it. Just chop. Chop and sew. That's all you need to do. Let's get that. That's the best thing about it, if they're not, you know, if they've got a shape to them, is they look nicer. Saves me putting the shape in. Right, I'm just going to take my needle and thread and start sewing. Right, I'm not sure if I'm going to need any more, but I'm just going to cut a circle out of the felt. And I'm just going to fill it. So now I'm just going to do this first. And poke that in there. And leave that to set. And I've just got this one to do. And this, we can trim the flower down then. See how easy they are? Things only look hard. And when you're doing a project, start and do it like, how can you say, the attitude to have when you're crafting is, if you make a mistake, correct it. If you can't correct it, start again. Don't go, oh God, I'm you know, don't get yourself worried about starting a project, making a flower, creating something different. You're not doing it for the audience, although the audience is going to be watching you if you film it. But you're doing it because you like it, you want to change it, you want to alter it, you want to add it, you want to, you know, it's your creation. And always though, you know, if you do a video and film what you're making to share with other people, look at the comments, read the comments and just see what other people have got to say as well. You know, there's some great suggestions made by your viewers. Things you might have forgotten to think about. And it's not that you're inadequate at doing whatever it is you're making at all. I often get people saying, oh, you could do this, you could do that. And it's great because their minds are working. While they're telling me that, that tells me that their mind has been working while they're watching my video. That is the whole point. It's to get people thinking for themselves. You know, that's, and I'm thrilled when people make comment. A lot of people don't like making comments, but your comments are valuable to any crafter, any artist, to be honest. Comments are valuable. That's just gorgeous. I love that. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. You know, 10 minutes to make. Well, not far off. So I hope that's helpful to you. And yeah, I was thinking though of doing something with this one. I'm going to try it because I don't often use my pearls and things like that. Very little actually. But I should use them. I should do more with the flower. I'm going to poke that in there like that. Cut this. Come out the way. Yeah, I'm just going to do a little bit with mine. I don't often do much with them. I'm just going to make it a little bit more elegant, maybe. I know some don't like me saying it. They don't. Why do you have to say that, Fee? Oh, because I like it. I like to do things like that. I'm going to put a little bit more on this side. Like that. Let's get this one on. A little bit more glue feet. And then, oh, that could be a little bit less, couldn't it? That's too much. That's more like it. It's all right. Don't worry about it. Change it if you're not happy. That's what I'm saying about things. Don't waste them bits. They become fillers. That'll do, I think. Like that. And when that's on, do you know what? They want moving. So I'm just going to take all three of them off and move it around here. They have dried now and they're all stuck together. They're not going to come apart, I don't think. That one I'm going to use for a picture. I'm not sure, but this has got the right colours in. It's got these colours in. Now, have I done that one too long? Let me just see. God, that looks gorgeous. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to tuck. Yeah. Let me just see. I'm going to take that out of there. And I'm going to place my little pendant in there. Push that in. Now, hang on. Oh God, that is gorgeous. I need to just glue this bit here, pin that together more like that. I'm not keen on that bit there, so I'm going to take that bit out, just cut it down. and cinch all that together like that. Just let me, like that. That's it. That's all you do. That is gorgeous. So yes, they're done. And that is just something totally different. Love it. With that. We can pull all those into place. That's it. Like that. Something different. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.